Good morning, YouTube. It is a beautiful fall day here in Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, the Corvette is down and out. The trans blew. I blew the trans yesterday up there in Freeland, PA at the car cruise. Having a lot of fun. Kind of laughed when it blew. Fortunately, I had to get a rollback and get it put home and in the garage. Here it is, all safe and sound. That's what's important, safe and sound. So, anyway, I was going to pull this trans this winter anyway, so in a way that works out. In a way it doesn't. I would have liked to have enjoyed it more, especially on a day like today, but oh well, that's the breaks. I don't know if I'm going to do a video on the rebuild, or if I'm going to pop for a monster transmission, or what I'm going to do yet. Just don't know. Leave comments in the comment section below. What you think I should do. My budget kind of dictates that I rebuild it myself. Either way, I'm going to be removing the trans probably here in the garage. Maybe I'll get it up on jack stands today. Hopefully I'll make some more videos. I only have like 22 subscribers, so hopefully more people that watch these videos will subscribe and build my subscription base there a little bit. And if you watch my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Never know, I might have something that you might like. Leave comments what you would like to see. I hope everybody has a happy YouTube day. Keep coming back to the Eugene Tordo YouTube channel. Maybe I'll change that name, something peppier, I don't know. That probably would help. But as everyone can see, it's a beautiful fall day. Leaves are starting to change here in PA, and top of the mountains they already changed. It's sunny out, and quite nice out. Yeah, quite nice out indeed. So get out there, enjoy your day. I'll be back with the C4, I hope.